Welcome to How to Web. In today's video, we'll show you how you can remove mouse acceleration in Marvel Rivals. To remove mouse acceleration, open the game settings, then navigate to Controls section. Look for an option labeled Mouse Acceleration and simply toggle it off. If this option isn't available in the game, disable mouse acceleration in your operating system settings. For Windows, go to Mouse Settings, select Pointer Options, and uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. This actually improves your aiming accuracy. Make sure you follow the terms and conditions and all the policies of the Marvel Rivals, and do not cheat in the game and avoid being in search community. Thanks for watching our video. I'm also displaying all the steps on the screen for your information, so make sure you follow each one of them carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful gaming tutorials.